Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add reviews from Amazon to Shopify. Open up the Shopify. Click on Settings from the dashboard. Go into Apps and Sales Channels. Then click on Shopify App Store. Search Ali Reviews in the App Store. Click to open the app. Then tap Go Add App. Click to install the app. Choose the plan to continue. There are two plans, Basic and Premium. Basic is a free plan, but Premium costs you $9.99. Click to sign in with the Basic plan, which is free of cost. Start a tutorial for an Ali Review app. Click to Manage Reviews. From here, click on Import Reviews. Choose the Amazon Import option. Then add Amazon product URL. Open the new tab. Search Amazon, then click to open the site. Scroll down to Deals under 25. Open up the product. Copy the URL of the product. Paste it back in the Ali Review app. Set the number of reviews. Then click to import. Here you can see you've imported reviews. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.